Okay, so we've auto ID'd the vehicle again. I've scanned this before. The check engine light is currently not on. So we're going to look at the engine control system and any codes that might be present. Okay, so P0014, B camshaft position over timing, over advanced or system performance bank 1. Well, it only has one bank, it's an inline 4-cylinder. So is B the intake or the exhaust? Most of the time it's a solenoid that causes this problem according to SureTrack. But we're going to look at Troubleshooter here and see which, I'm pretty sure that's the exhaust solenoid. P0014. Camshaft, constant damage. Camshaft position over timing advance or system advance. Doesn't say intake or exhaust here. Oh, I love it when they do this. Well, I'm going to see if I can find better information. So P0014 is the exhaust cam timing solenoid malfunction, either mechanical malfunction or a problem with the system performance. So the majority of the faults are caused by sticky solenoids. So we're going to replace the solenoid today and do an oil change on the vehicle. So here's the new dormant part number if you're interested. And there's the solenoid. And it is located on the back side of the engine. The intake one is right there, and the exhaust one is right here. So they are different parts, I think mainly because the connectors are different. So this one actually looks like the easier of the two to replace. I don't want to jinx myself, but we'll see what it's like to get out of there. So there is the replacement solenoid and the original one side by side. They look the same. What happens is this solenoid will occasionally stick, and it could be caused by dirt in the oil, although the oil doesn't look bad in this thing, but it could also be just a faulty solenoid. So for the price of the solenoid, we're going to replace this, put a little oil on the O-ring here, push it back in and relocate it. There is a T30 headed bolt that you have to remove to take this solenoid out. So as you can see in the history of this thing, today's code P0014 was back there on September the 8th. I scanned it several times. This has some problems with the airbag system as well. August the 13th was the first time I scanned it for this code. So it's been in. This will be the third time in with the same code. I've changed the solenoid. We're going to clear the codes now. Just out of interest, we're going to look at this airbag system. It's interesting, this vehicle has a bunch of codes in the airbag system. The warning lamp failure, which incidentally is not on. Belt tensioner sensor defect. Passenger side occupant detection system ECU defect. Crash recorded in first stage front. Replace the SCM. So I think this vehicle's been in an accident and it's been repaired, so to speak, but not repaired properly. There is no airbag warning light when you turn the key on. Was event 1. I wonder if there's something different in event 2. Same thing. So this is a job for another time, but there is some problems with the airbag system on this vehicle. For now, we're just going to clear the codes in the ECM. Related to that cam timing failure. And we're going to do an oil change. We'll see what happens in the long term.